If I had come up to you 20 years ago and said there would be a small device that could fit in our pockets and save millions of memories, would you believe that? Sounds impossible, right? Yet here we are living in a world where rockets can land by themselves, cars that could drive on their own, and AI that could help us in our everyday life. Things that once sounded impossible are now normal. And if humanity could create all that in just 2 decades, imagine what we could do for the next two. Greetings everyone, my name is Lionel Faiza Pradana from SMA Pragta Dirgatara, and today I would like to invite you to imagine a world that we might live in 20 years from now. First of all, I'm going to give you a challenge. No ChatGPT, no trending TikTok videos, and no smartphones for only 1 week. Just one. Do you think you'll be able to survive? Me, personally, I don't think I could even survive a day without my phone. And I bet neither could you. Anyways, as you might know, technology has improved significantly throughout the years. Currently, China is making a new battery materials. The US is investing billions of dollars in AI research and quantum computing. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia, they're building massive solar farms. But don't you feel like the world is getting more and more advanced every day, but at the same time, we are also getting lazier? Let's take the easiest example, and that is AI. It's a tool that can help us to do our homework and write essays. However, relying on it too much could make us forget how to think, how to create, and how to connect with people around us. And that's when I realized something, that technology can make life easier, but not essentially better. Because what's the point of smart robots if people forget how to be kind? What's the use of all that AI if it makes us apart from the people around us? That's why I want to imagine what this world could look like 20 years from now. And I hope this world is not just full of new technologies, more advanced AI, and flying cars, but a world where everybody deserves the same opportunity to learn. A world where knowledge is open, accessible, and most importantly, a world where we've truly learned on what it means to be a human, where everybody's equal, where countries choose peace over war, and where our planet feels healthy again. However, the truth is, dreams alone wouldn't make that kind of world happen, because dreams don't build the future. The future begins on what we choose to do today, through the choices we make, through the kindness we show to each other, and the respect we show to the planet. Remember, the future is in our hands. We are capable of deciding and making good changes. Therefore, let's be kind, compassionate, and let's all work together as humans to create a better world for you, for me, and the entire human race. Thank you.